In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop to improve your workflow, providing a full tutorial that will guide you through the process of optimizing this versatile tool for your needs. Let's get started. Firstly, consider creating a new Loop workspace for every client, department, or project. The idea here is to keep everything centralized and organized, giving you a clearer view of your tasks and responsibilities. By categorizing each aspect of your business or workflow into its own workspace, you ensure that all related documents and tasks are easily accessible in one place. For instance, you could create workspaces titled Marketing Campaign Q2, Product Launch Apollo, or Client Onboarding, Acme Inc. Having clearly defined workspaces helps maintain structure, allowing you and your team to navigate your tasks with ease. Once you've set up your workspaces, you'll want to break each one down further into pages that cater to specific areas of that workspace. These pages can include areas such as goals and objectives, task tracker, brainstorming ideas, meeting notes, and timeline. This provides a comprehensive overview and facilitates a more organized approach to managing your projects, making it easy to find and update information as needed. One of the key features of Microsoft Loop is its dynamic loop components. These are compact, interactive blocks of content such as tables, checklists, voting tables, progress trackers, or task lists. They can be embedded not just in Loop, but also shared across other platforms like Teams, Outlook, or Word. For example, by using a task list, you can easily track action items from a meeting, keeping everyone on the same page and ensuring nothing is overlooked. A progress tracker is excellent for monitoring milestones or sprint statuses, providing a visual representation of your project's advancement. Or perhaps you need a table to organize deliverables by owner and deadline, ensuring responsibilities are clear and deadlines are met. To enhance collaboration, use the App Mention feature within Loop to assign tasks directly to team members. Paired with the date command to set due dates, this transforms your Loop workspace into a lightweight project management tool, streamlining communication and accountability. Loop components can also be copied and pasted into other Microsoft applications, such as Outlook emails, Microsoft Teams chats, and Word documents, making them particularly versatile and convenient for collaborative efforts across the Microsoft ecosystem. To save time and improve efficiency, take advantage of templates available in Microsoft Loop. These templates can jumpstart your pages, helping you set up things like meeting agendas, weekly stand-ups, project trackers, and retrospective boards quickly and efficiently. Using templates ensures consistency and provides a solid foundation for your work, allowing you and your team to focus on the content itself rather than the layout or format. By integrating these strategies into your daily work routine, Microsoft Loop can significantly enhance your organizational and collaborative capabilities, ensuring a smoother, more productive workflow.